Taking place within the Amantit Group, the biggest fiberglass reinforced plastic pipe manufacturer throughout the world, Subor manufactures superior fiberglass reinforced plastic pipes, which replace the traditional metal and concrete-based pipes and connection components with the highest technology known as GRP. Adapazarı and Şanlıurfa facilities of Subor manufacture and present the ideal pipes for potable and raw water transmission and distribution, agricultural irrigation, effluents, industrial and energy projects at international standards. Aside from the standard production, a wide range production is performed on demand at a project base. Let us now begin to view the GRP pipe production and application process, starting with the raw material delivery to the facilities. Conducting fiberglass reinforced plastic pipe production under the license of Flowtide, Subor makes use of continuous filament winding technique. This method is the most developed technology in the world in view of quality, speed, and cost efficiency. The machinery performing the production consists of mandrels mounted on the main shaft and continuous bands wound on the girders on it. The fiberglass and stuffing material forming the composite structure of the polyester mixture pumped into the main production machine is applied under automatic control, respectively. The GRP pipes can be manufactured at diameters between 300 and 3000 millimeters, with a pressure resistance up to 32 bars and at the stiffness classes of 2500, 5000 and 10,000. The composite structure systems designed for pressurized and attractive systems take place in the flexible pipe category. The pipe diameter, stiffness and pressure values appropriate for the project are realized through integrated process control. The composite structure passes through the heaters at the stage where hardening occurs via exothermic reaction. Cutting process is conducted with the help of the automatic unit operating in concordance with the pipe advance speed. The GRP pipes that do not undergo corrosion, contrary to the metal and concrete pipes, do not need cathodic protection and additional isolation material. The fact that the friction losses are small due to the surface smoothness holds the need for pumping energy at minimum. If there need be, the two ends of the pipe are calibrated along the calibration zone in order to obtain the specified diameter, and the ends of pipe spigots are chamfered. Leaving the production, the pipes are subjected to mandatory detailed tests requested by the standards. After the physical check, all the pipes and the couplings undergo a hydrostatic pressure test at the pressure twice the nominal pressure. Now it is time to add the sleeved connection systems that give absolute non-leakage property to the GRP pipes produced for pressurized and non-pressurized lines. The sleeve pipes, manufactured simultaneously with the pipes, are cut at appropriate lengths and chamfered. Then, gasket stopper areas are bored. The gaskets acting to prevent leakage are manufactured from elastomeric materials. The flexible connection couplings eliminate the need for use of joints at some angles. Furthermore, they prevent the tension arising due to ground movements such as earthquakes and ground settlings from directly affecting the pipe, providing a long service life under any conditions. In pipelines, elbows, T-pieces, reduction, flanges, and other special parts are needed as connection elements. The connection elements, called fittings, are manufactured from GRP pipes via hand layup technique. The connection elements can also be manufactured at site if necessary. Subor quality personnel perform the necessary checks and measurements at every stage in the fully automated production process fastidiously. Designed and manufactured in accordance with the extensive and widely accepted American AWWA and ASTM standards, Subor is subjected to detailed tests. It also satisfies the ISO, EN, BS, DIN, and TSE standards as well. Each process, from the entrance of the raw material in the facility to the shipment of the product, are controlled and monitored. With the target of continuous improvement, the data obtained from entrance check processes, process and product control tests, and long period tests are analyzed, as well as the tests for surface hardness, pipe thickness, pipe length, stiffness, axial and circumferential tensile strength, and composite tests. Additional tests such as impact resistance and joint performance are performed. Long-term tests aim to determine the design criteria of the pipe and material behavior. As well as the Technology Center in Norway, in Subor long-term test laboratories, a process of minimum 50 years is inspected. The tests for hydrostatic design bases, long-term strain corrosion, long-term ring bending strain, and long-term specific ring stiffness are performed taking national and international standards as reference. The global quality comprehension of Subor is a sum of inputs, modern production technology, and technical control processes. The Subor GRP pipes are lighter than the concrete pipes at a ratio of 1:10 and steel pipes at a ratio of 1:4. Therefore, they are easier and cost-efficient to store, load, and transport. Demonstrating strong corrosion resistance against chemicals structurally, Subor provides safe, fast, and easy installation in the chemical transfer systems of industrial facilities and in industrial lines. The city of Şanlıurfa, accommodating an historical depth important for the world's cultural legacy, is one of the centers of the Fertile Crescent. The single earnest industrial facility in the region, Subor experiences the excitement of delivering the water reviving the plains of Haran, Bozova, and Yaylak, yearning for water for thousands of years. Subor has easily completed the project of irrigating more than 100 kilometers in the Haran Plain. Haran Irrigation Project forms a successful infrastructure model for the GUP project, with the system integrity that the fitting parts provide. In Subor, that attaches importance to the customer satisfaction, a site engineering staff is employed in order to aid in the technical presentation of the product and in applications. The technical staff experienced in projects and applications provides supervision services for the effective and fast laying at site, with site teams consisting of engineers and technicians. An extensive and experienced engineering team is employed for conducting the technical design, isometric and detailed drawings, material surveys, pipe design calculations, stress and flexibility calculations with Caesar program for the product's conformity with the project and for providing economical solutions. Subor accelerates the return of the investments, proving the state and local government projects to be realized swiftly with external finance and export credit.